According to latest media reports, the Indian Air Force will receive the first batch of the indigenously developed Astra Beyond Visual Range systems in the coming months, and the Indian Air Force and the Defence Ministry have started the process of placing new orders for the Astra system for at least 100 systems. Bharat Electronics Limited is already manufacturing 50 pre-production units ordered by the Indian Air Force, which was made to smoothen out the production line and to ensure that any quality issues are sorted out before the system hits scale production. The Su-30 will be the first fighter jet to get the 110 km range indigenous air-to-air system, which has an advantage over the Russian Ir-77 in terms of range and performance. DRDO has started work on the 150 km range Astra Mach-2 version, which is likely to have shorter developmental trials, as it will carry a number of systems which have already been developed for the Mach-1 version. Top experts have said that India is on the verge of mastering a game-changing technology, which will enable the Tejas fighter jet to launch an air-to-air system that will travel at Mach-7 towards an enemy aircraft at 300 to 400 kilometers away. An air defense system based on the solid-fuel ducted ramjet technology would add a new dimension to the air defense capability of the Indian Air Force, as the ramjet motor can modify the thrust over the duration of its flight, and is also capable of providing it with a burst of power at the end of its flight, thus increasing its likelihood of intercepting a maneuvering target. The design will be similar to the Meteor system, but it will be 75 kilograms heavier than the Meteor system. The Russian Deputy Prime Minister has confirmed that the advance payment for 5 regiments of S-400 air defense systems for the Indian Air Force has been received, and the S-400 systems will be delivered to India in strict accordance with the planned schedule. He also said that the delivery will start in the next 18 months, and the deliveries will be completed by 2025. The Chinese media has criticized the Indian Navy's share in the recently announced defense budget, which has been reduced from 18% in 2013 to 13% in 2019, while Pakistan's government has proposed to increase its defense budget by 4.74% in the next financial year. The Chinese media has also said that India has to work on its poor delivery of defense equipment promised to other countries. Facing a prolonged financial problem, Pakistan is slowing the pace of multi-billion-dollar projects under China's Belt and Road Initiative. The Chinese investment in the CPEC has led to massive imports of Chinese equipment, manpower and materials, and Pakistan owes 1/4 of the total public external liabilities of $106 billion to China.
Omar dropped it.